Set your intentions for today. I mean, the intentions that are good, the intentions that you intend to carry out throughout the day. Don't set your intentions on what you don't want. Set your intentions on what you intend to create. Nobody wants to create something bad. Nobody wants to get themselves out there with the I don't like that, I don't want that. Because what that does, as you all know, it just brings it back to you. And that will end up becoming the dominant intention. And when you focus on, I don't want, it brings that as a dominant intention. But when you can set your dominant intention in the body, mind, and spirit, you can align with what it is you want to desire or to have or to be. So think about that for a second, because your subconscious mind has a power within itself to be in tune with the emotional energy that is your intention. So if you have an intention to, say, for an example, I am going to attract 10 new members to my team today. I am going to attract and nourish 10 new team members. That's an intention of what you intend to do. So you're going to have to get out there, and that could be set as your master intention. So what are you going to do to make that happen? You're going to have to put out some content. Maybe you're going to do a video or two. Maybe you're going to make some calls. Maybe you're going to answer some calls, emails, or whatever. But you're going to set the master intention for belief that you're doing this. Belief in yourself to achieve what it is you desire. Maybe you desire to ace the test. Maybe you're in courses, and you're going to have that be your master intention. I'm going to ace this course. I'm going to ace this that's happening here. I'm going to ace this test. That's a master intention. But you have to be in tune with what it is you actually want. And when you do that, your master intention will align with what it is you want, because you have the emotional desire, you have confidence that you can achieve everything, and your mindset is where you are, setting you up for success. And the more you can get your mindset there to set you up to where you want your intentions to flow, your intentions will flow in those directions. It just depends on where your emotions are. If you're constantly focused on, this is not working, this is not happening, do you realize that we are energy? We are all energy, and our energy is actually connected throughout the world, throughout everywhere. So your energy is currently right now connecting with other energies. And when you get enough of those energies connecting, just think of the greatness that can happen in the world if we connect our energies. So use your dominant intention on what do you intend to do. Because everything starts first thing in the morning when you wake up. First thing in the morning, your dominant intentions are right there, and they're ready to manifest for you. What are they? What are you doing? Are you grateful? Do you have prosperity in your life? Do you feel the prosperity in your life? When you do, and you're right there, and you're aligning to that intention, regardless of what it is, everyone will have a different intention. Some people will want to maybe run the marathon and maybe come in 500, or maybe come in, number 20 or whatever, because it's a really huge marathon. That's great. No problem. Set your intention. What am I going to do to prepare myself to reach my goal? I'm going to have to exercise. I'm going to have to practice. I'm going to have to run. I'm going to have to work out. Right? I want to get that job. I want to get that promotion. What do I have to do that? Set your intention. I'm going to have to step up. I'm going to have to show the boss I'm the one for the job. I'm the one for the promotion. I am the right choice by doing and going above and beyond what your actual job requirements are. That is setting an intention. So take the steps that you need to have the opportunities present themselves to you. Every intention that we do or that we set for ourselves will present us individually with opportunities. It's up to you to take that opportunity as it shows up and take it to the next level and say, you know what? This showed up, and this is what is going to help me. I'm going to take this opportunity. I'm going to learn this skill. I'm going to learn what it takes to do this. I'm going to study. I'm going to prosper. I'm going to do whatever it takes. Always be in alignment to what you want. If you're in alignment to everything you don't want, if you're in alignment to saying, oh my gosh, the world's coming to, coming to hell in a handbasket, we already know that for fact. So why focus on it? Why focus on the negative energy? Put your focus on your intentions and put your focus on the energy that is going to change your life. And like I said, we are all energy and we are all connected. In one way or another, we are all connected. So connect your energy with that energy that will move mountains and create more and more flow to those people, including yourself, who will prosper and grow and learn from these simple steps. So what is your intention for today? Share down here in the comments. What is my intention for today? I intend to fill it out. Let's spread the love. This is more energy that's going to flow around and come back to you. Okay? Talk to you later.